Here is the second video for the poster, and if you missed the first one, here's the link on the top. So I found some data on the internet, like how many percentage died, how many percentage recovered, and I used a pie chart from Keynote to display the data. I know PowerPoint has a similar feature. You can just change the numbers in the table to your data. So I have to delete a couple columns. And put in the right number. It will automatically calculate the percentage. So, according to my research, 81% survived, 3% died, 16% were treated in emergency room. So I don't really like the color, it doesn't go with my theme. Here is how you change the color. You can change the color scheme from what Keynote already have, but still it's not gonna be exactly the same as what I wanted. So I click on the section of the pie chart, and under style, you can change the color to exactly what you want. So I click on the sample button and sample the color. This is more like it. So I figured this right corner in the middle section will be the best place for the pie chart. And remember to leave space for the important content. So obviously this pie chart gonna catch people's eyes, and you don't want them to get distracted. So plan your space strategically, and make sure you use the font size that is not too big. Here I'm copy and pasting the explanation of the data, and I used the preset for data small. And obviously you want some contrast with the background color. Here I experimented a little with the other part of the data, which is the long-term impairments. Because I think my pie chart might be a little bit too small, and I wanted to give it more space. So to come up with the eye-catching design, you gotta be willing to experiment a little bit. Here is what I did. I put a list of impairments on the left side and made them bullet points. So I also want this 1.7 million whatever to be more visible. And here is what I did. I put them on top of the pie chart. And now my pie chart can have more space. There we go. Let's see if I can fit all the texts in the pie chart. So here is how I did it. I needed more space for the texts of the pie chart, and I experimented a little with this data, the 1.7 mil data. The thing is, you gotta be flexible to change the original plans in order to have the best design. So the devil is in the detail, the alignment. Even if it's 1 pixel off on your computer, when it gets printed, blown up, it could look like an inch off. So it's very important to have your alignment correct. And sometimes Keynote or PowerPoint doesn't do it automatically for you. You just have to really zoom in and find that 1 pixel difference. So here, if you follow my mouse at the right bottom corner, Keynote has a feature to change where the percentage is on the pie chart. So that's how I find enough space for the text. And here, I want this 3% to be much further from the center. Again, right bottom corner. And when we move it outside the pie chart, it automatically turn into a dark color. I don't know if PowerPoint has the same feature. I doubt it. So here is something really close to what I want. And in our next video, we're gonna focus on the bottom center part of this poster. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.